Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change currency on eBay. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change currency on eBay is really simple. You just gotta open your eBay application or your eBay website. So once you open it, you need to simply go and tap on your settings or your profile. So after you have simply tapped on it, you will be redirected to a different interface where you can simply select the option called your country or region. So once you select that particular option, you can simply find your country or region located. So from there, you can select any of the country you want to change your country to. And once you have selected a particular country, your eBay will now be set in that particular region. Now, once your eBay account is set in that particular region, all the currency or all the pricings will be allocated on the basis of that country's currency. So by doing this, you can change currency on eBay. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.